Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have a story about helping Dad in the garden. Are you ready to practice your English listening and speaking skills? Let's go.
Hi, my name is Tom. I'm a 10-year-old student, and today I'm going to tell you about a rainy day in my life. I usually love weekends because I get to play outside with my friends. But sometimes it rains and I can't go out. On those days, I feel bored. This is what happened last Saturday. When I woke up in the morning, I heard the sound of rain. It was raining heavily. I looked out of the window and saw dark clouds and raindrops falling everywhere. My mom said, "Tom, you can't play outside today. It's too rainy." I felt disappointed because I wanted to play soccer with my friends. But instead, I had to stay indoors. At first, I didn't know what to do. I sat on the couch and watched the rain for a while. Then, my mom suggested we do something fun inside. We decided to bake cookies together. I love baking, and it made me feel a lot better. After that, I read my favorite book and drew some pictures. The rainy day wasn't so bad after all. Even though I couldn't play outside, I had a lot of fun at home, and the cookies were delicious.
Are you ready to practice your English speaking skills? Let's get started. Rainy. Meaning when it is raining outside. Example, it's rainy today, so I can't play outside. Stay indoors. Meaning to stay inside the house. Example, when it rains, I stay indoors and read books. Bored. Meaning, feeling like you have nothing to do. Example, I felt bored because I couldn't play soccer. Bake. Meaning to cook something like cookies or cake in an oven. Example, Tom and his mom baked cookies on the rainy day. Cloudy. Meaning, when the sky is full of clouds. Example, it's cloudy today, I think it will rain soon. Now let's practice speaking. Repeat after Tom.
Hi, my name is Tom. Hi, my name is Tom. Hi, my name is Tom. It was a rainy day. It was a rainy day. It was a rainy day. I stayed indoors because it was raining. I stayed indoors because it was raining. I stayed indoors because it was raining. I baked cookies with my mom. I baked cookies with my mom. I baked cookies with my mom. I felt bored at first, but then I had fun. I felt bored at first, but then I had fun. I felt bored at first, but then I had fun.
Great job. Now let's listen to Tom's story one more time. Pay attention to the new words you learned.
It was a rainy day. I couldn't go outside to play, so I stayed indoors. At first I felt bored, but then my mom and I baked cookies together. I also read a book and drew pictures. Even though it was rainy, I still had a fun day.
Great job listening to Tom's story. Now it's time for quiz time to check how well you understood the story. I'll ask you some questions and you'll have 4 options to choose from. Let's get started. How does Tom feel when it rains? The correct answer is B, annoyed. Tom feels disappointed because he can't play outside. What did Tom do first when it rained? The correct answer is C, sat by the window. Tom looked out the window and saw it was raining. What did Tom and his mom do together on the rainy day? The correct answer is B, cooked. Tom and his mom baked cookies together. How did Tom feel while baking cookies with his mom? The correct answer is A, excited. Tom felt happy and excited while baking cookies. What did Tom do after baking cookies and reading a book? The correct answer is C, drew pictures. Tom enjoyed drawing after baking and reading. When did the rainy day happen in the story? The correct answer is B, Saturday. The story takes place on a Saturday. How did Tom feel about the rainy day after staying home? The correct answer is B, happy and relaxed. Tom ended up enjoying his day at home. What did Tom's mom suggest doing on the rainy day? The correct answer is C, bake cookies. Tom's mom suggested baking cookies to make the day more fun. Well done, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the quiz and learned more from Tom's rainy day adventure. Keep practicing your English, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. See you in the next video.